She was having difficulty with both her heart rate and her oxygen levels. They were just going up and down consistently. They did a chest x-ray and found that she did have the PDA.
PDA stands for patent ductus arteriosus. That blood vessel is in the fetus and it connects the big vessel called the aorta that feeds the body to the pulmonary artery, which is the big vessel that goes to the lungs to get oxygen. That vessel has been designed by Mother Nature to close up by itself. But a newborn baby that's premature, who hasn't had 40 weeks of cooking, if you will, Mother Nature does not know that it's supposed to close because the baby's now born. And so many of the premature babies have this ductus that creates a problem.
She had great results almost immediately.
What's new is really the development of these smaller devices and delivery systems where you can put them into the small vessels of the premature baby to do the procedure.
It's just taking it one day at a time. That's really all you can do, is one day at a time. Because you're not really going to have good days until you're ready to go home.